ये सीपीएल के जो गेस्ट हैं उनका इस्तकबाल हो रहा है अभी।
A guest of honor, Mr. Iqbal Haider. I request him to come forward. He is the head coach, New Prince Cricket Academy. Please come forward and collect a memento from Mr. Saeed Akram. Now, before we move on to our match presentation, we have some of the award to be presented to our very own patrons, our ground staff, our umpires. So our first category of award is to recognize the support of our patrons in organizing such a huge event, which will be presented by our chief guest, Mr. Badruddin Siddiqui, to our patrons. I'll call them one by one. Sir, Badruddin sir, please come forward. We need your help to present the awards to our patrons. I'll invite Rajveer Singh sir to come forward. He's a former coach, Kolaj Group. They're helping us organizing these events. They're always available for the support. Radul sir will present to Kartik sir. The second award will be presented to Mr. Raj Yadav, who is the owner of OP Sports Club. Would be presented by Badruddin sir. Please sir, come forward. Our patron, Mr. Amir Naqvi, to come forward.
हमारे पैटर्न में
Mr. Nazar Abbas.
Our next patron is Wasim Abbas. Please come forward. Thank you, Wasim. Over to you.
ये सीपीएल के जो हैं दोनों टीमें जो जीते हैं।
Hello. So we need to recognize our ground staff as well. They are helping. They are working very hard to keep these facilities maintained for us. I request Mr. Ram Kumar, Mr. Ram Pyare to come forward. We need some.
अब्बास भाई इधर को बुला के।
So Mr. Our chief guest sir, please present the award.
बहुत बढ़िया राम।
राम प्यारे जी, राम कुमार।
तेरी फोटो खींचेगी, हाथ तो लाइट जला दे।
You guys are working very hard for these events. We're very thankful, and this is just a small gesture. There is a small gesture of appreciation to our organizer, Mr. Saeed Akram. It will be presented by Mr. Nazar Abbas. You want to give Saeed Akram goal? Sir, please come forward. Mr. Abbas has specially a surprise gift arranged for you.
अब्बास भाई खोल के दे दो यार, खोल के दे दो। ना वो नहीं ये। सही रहा पानी देना था लेकिन वो आए।
We cannot forget our umpires who are always involved into our games and providing support, providing the authorities to organize these matches. I request one more time Mr. Badruddin Siddiqui to come and present some awards to our umpires who are available here. Mr. Amir, can you come forward? Amir Naqvi.
अबे माइक हमारा वाले की क्या हो गया?
Nazar Abbas, Mr. Nazar Abbas, please come forward.
रमान भाई
चांद मोहम्मद, मिस्टर फरमान हैदर,
यार भाई ये पकड़ा सही करके
आएंगे
मिस्टर वफादार हुसैन, मिस्टर एजाज हसन, मिस्टर अरमान हैदर,
हाँ
हेलो
सलमी जा
नहीं अभी मैं नाम
तो दो तीन बिना नाम
मिस्टर जिया हैदर, मोहम्मद हैदर, सुखनवर नकवी,
हाँ
मिस्टर
यार
धवन
टाइट
मेहदी,
टाइट है
मिस्टर समर अब्बास एंड मिस्टर आदित्य श्रीवास्तव, मोहम्मद अकबर, मिस्टर मोहम्मद अकबर,
जाओ तमाम अकबर ओपनिंग में ले लिया और कौन रह गया बस यही है
Now let's move on to the today's final. I'll just give you a brief. So it's the CPL Gold Cup final played between Clarivate and Dark Horses, where Dark Horses won the toss and chose to bat first. Despite the steady start, Dark Horses could only manage 45 runs in the first 5 overs. Some good batting contribution from Parth. Okay, Mr. Saurabh, please come forward. Mr. Wasim, please come.
जल्दी आओ यार वसीम वसीम का दो
And 2 sixes. Rajat, who scored 38 runs of just 25 balls, hitting 6 and a 4, a strike rate of 152. With these contributions, Dark Horses could manage 134 runs in 19.5 overs. Some very good bowling performance, bowling effort from Abid Khurshid, who bowled 4 overs, 14 runs and 2 wickets, with an economy of 3.50, which is a very good economy if you talk about T20 cricket. Some very good bowling from Prashant, 2.5 overs, 18 runs and 3 wickets. In response, Clarivate started good but could only manage 127 runs in 20 overs with a loss of 9 wickets. Some good batting performance from Saurav Srivastav, who scored 44 runs on just 33 balls, hitting 4 boundaries and 3 sixes with a strike rate of 137. Shantanu, who scored 31 of 34 balls, hitting 4 boundaries with a strike rate of 91. And Dark Horses could manage to restrict Clarivate on 127 because of some very good bowling performance from Dark Horses side, which helped them defend such a small total, like Rajat, who bowled 4 overs, 25 runs and 3 wickets. Manik did very good ball, 4 overs, 22 runs, 3 wickets. And on top of everyone, SK, who bowled 4 overs, just 11 runs and 2 wickets. And that includes a maiden over in power play. The economy is 2.75 only. So which helped Dark Horses to become the new CPL champions. Can we have a round of applause to Dark Horses? With all the detail, we'll continue with the presentation.
बैटरी डाउन हो तुम्हारे वाले की तो बैटरी डाउन के जब चला जाओ तो होगी.
We have some awards to be presented for this match. So first award for this match, CPL final, is for the Fighter of the Match award that goes to Prashant Raghav. That will be presented by Mr. Shaban Parvez. Mr. Shaban Parvez, can you please come forward? 2.5 overs, 18 runs, 3 wickets.
Prashant, look here. Thank you.
Now there is another award that is for the man of the match for the final award that goes to Rajat, who scored 38 runs on 25 balls, hitting 4 sixes and 1 boundary. He also bowled very well, 4 overs, 25 runs, 3 wickets. The award will be presented by Mr. Iqbal Haider. Please come forward and present the award for man of the match. Now, before we move further with our series award for the finals, we'll have some individual awards to be presented to each member, each team member. I'll call Mr. Shaban Parvez to come forward and present the individual mementos to the teams, to the runner-up team. I request each team member please come one by one. If somebody can announce the name of the team members, there will be a individual memento presented to everybody. Yeah, Keshav, please announce the name of your team members. Keshav, you can collect the first award and then you can invite your team members. Please come here and invite your team members one by one. Uttam. Ankit Gangwar. Vice Captain Shantanu. Saurabh Srivastava, Akka, Uttam.
शबन भाई थोड़ा इधर हो जाओ.
आगे से जाओ भाई. प्रशांत.
Abid. Divanshu.
की जगह ढल गए. ऑफिस में तो काम करता हूँ. डॉक्टर लग रहा है. जिंदाबाद. सर आइए कभी. तेरा नाम
Hello. That concludes the award for the runner-up team. Now the same category is for the winner team as well. I'll request our guest of honor, Mr. Iqbal Haider, to come forward and present these individual mementos to the winning team members. I'll call the name one by one. Let's start with the captain Rajat. Please come and collect your memento. Then Abhik. Saurav, Anil, Manik, SK, Amit Tyagi, Gaurav, Manu, Parth, and Junaira will correct for Wasim Abbas. तो बाबा यहाँ पे ये गेट में इधर जाओ दूसरा जाओ इधर लकी चांद गलत बोल रही I've announced everyone. Shakti, I think Shakti is left. Where is Shakti? Okay. Please come everybody. Collect your individual mementos.
ये मेरे चैनल पे डालूंगा मैं पूरा देख लेना
Shakti. Thank you, Basha. So the next category of award is for the best fielder for the CPL World Cup final, and the award goes to Rajat from Dark Horses. 6 catches in 7 matches. Will be presented by Mr. Raj Yadav. Mr. Raj, please come forward and present the award to Rajat. Rajat has also taken 2 brilliant catches in today's match. Despite having an injury in his knee, he showed the efforts. The next award is for best bowler. That goes to Ankit from Clarivate. 17 wickets in 7 matches with an economy of 6 points.
बेस्ट बॉलर दो
What will be presented by Mr. Rajveer Singh? Mr. Rajveer Singh will present the award to
Ankit Shami.
The next award is Best Batsman Award. That goes to Abhig Bakshi from Dark Horses, scoring 220 runs in just 4 matches with an average of 55 and strike rate of 178. Award will be presented by Mr. Raj Yadav. Now there are a few awards that will be presented by our chief guest, Mr. Badruddin Siddiqui. But before that, we want to have some words with him. Sir, if you can come forward and have a chat with us. Sir, sir, थोड़ी सी आपसे बातचीत करना चाहते हैं हम लोग regarding Mohammad Shami. Like everybody knows that you've been behind him. Tell us the story, tell us the journey. How this happened? Mohammad Shami के साथ कैसा रहा आपका
एक्सपीरियंस तो काफ़ी अच्छा रहा है। आप लोग सभी जानते हैं कि वर्ल्ड क्लास बॉलर है, लेकिन कभी कभी होता है कि मौका नहीं मिलता। आजकल ऐसा ही हो रहा है उसके साथ। उस जैसी सेम मेरे ख्याल से शायद वर्ल्ड में किसी भी बॉलर के पास नहीं होगी सेम पोजीशन। सब लोग जानते हैं उसके लिए। और आज भी वो जो हार्ड वर्क करता है उसके लिए सिर्फ वो उसका हार्ड वर्क ही है। और वो जो आज भी हार्ड वर्क करता है जो वो शायद कोई ही करता हो और कोई नहीं कर सकता जैसा वो करता है। आज 37 साल की उम्र में भी वो इतना हार्ड वर्क करता है। और वो जो आज पोजीशन पे है, इस पोजीशन पे यहाँ पर पहुँचा है, वो उसका हार्ड वर्क ही है उसको भी पहुँचाया है। तो देखिए काफ़ी क्रिकेट बच्चे, बहुत सारे बच्चे क्रिकेट खेलते हैं, लेकिन बस मैं सबसे यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि अगर आपके पास क्रिकेट के लिए कोई शॉर्टकट नहीं है, सिर्फ आप हार्ड वर्क करते रहिए और बाकी चीज़ें ऊपर वाले पे छोड़ दीजिए।
Sir, what will be your advice to our youngsters who are focusing, make cricket as their career? What they need to do?
देखिए, मैं वही एडवाइस देना चाहूँगा कि आपको मेहनत करती रहनी चाहिए और कोई दूसरा रास्ता नहीं है मेहनत के अलावा। मेहनत करेंगे आप तो आपको सब कुछ मिलता रहेगा।
सर, इस तरह के जो इवेंट जो लाइक ऐसे स्पोर्ट्स पॉइंट ऑर्गेनाइज कर रहा है, आपके हिसाब से कितना बड़ा इन इवेंट्स का योगदान हो सकता है इस तरह के क्रिकेटिंग करियर को ग्रूम करने में?
देखिए, बहुत बड़ा काम कर रहे हैं जिसने भी ये किया है, और इतनी भाग दौड़ वाली ज़िंदगी में आप लोग 5 दिन बहुत वर्क करते हैं। आप लोग भी मैंने देखा है साहब, हर कोई आदमी जॉब करने वाले हैं साहब। सब कुछ करने के बाद आप 5 दिन के बाद यहाँ पे एंजॉय करना आके और क्रिकेट खेलना, और मैं देख रहा था कि बहुत एफर्ट लगा रहे थे बच्चे, जितने भी लोग हैं आपके यहाँ। तो बहुत बड़ा काम है ये, और आजकल ये क्रिकेट चल रहा है बहुत ज़्यादा। तो आप आजकल ये नहीं है कि एज के बाद क्रिकेट ख़त्म हो जाएगा। आप किसी भी एज में क्रिकेट खेल सकते हैं, ये लोग साबित कर रहे हैं।
Thank you, sir. We need to present some award. We need your presence here, sir.
So the next category of award is for the Man of the Series award. That goes to Uttam Singh from Clarion. 507 runs in 10 matches with an average of 50.70 and the strike rate of 187. Uttam, we wanted to have a word with you. Can you please come forward? We want to have a word with you. So, like strike rate almost 190 in 10 matches. How are you able to manage that?
Paul, thank you very much for my captain because you always support me. Seriously. And as far as strike rate is concerned, just focus on the pitch and how the ball is coming. Just focus on that. Just to play your best. That's it.
How you keep your mindset? Like, what is your mindset when you come to bat?
Mindset is like just keep calm and stay focused, whatever the ball and whatever the situation is, and just play your best.
And is this the support of the team which allows you to play the fearless game?
Definitely, my team always supports me, and they have a very huge impact on my personal game.
Thank you. Have a good day. I will move on to present the trophies. We'll move on with the runner-up trophy to be presented to Clarivate captain Keshav. Can you please come forward? Mr. Saeed Akram, can you please also come forward and present the trophy to Mr. Keshav? And Keshav, after having the trophy, please come forward and have a word with us. Yeah, we can have a group photo as well, and maybe then we can discuss. Showed the energy throughout the game.
अरे यार, ये सारे चैनल पे डालेगी,
So
तुम
the nil
देख लेना।
final, and we were expecting only this from the CPL finalists.
चीफ गेस्ट को बीच में ले लो तो बेहतर होगा। वेल प्लेड, वेल प्लेड, वेल प्लेड।
Thank you, sir. Thank you very much.
Can you please come? We want to have a word.
So I would say too close to the finals, too close to the trophy. What do you think was missing, which could make the difference?
I think it was a great bowling performance by the guys. Even after going in the power play for a lot of runs, coming back, taking the wickets, and making sure we get them out at 134 was fantastic. So great bowling, great fielding together. But I think where we really lost was the power play, where we lost too many wickets. And then after that, Saurabh played really well. So great batting, Saurabh. And I think we just needed some partnership together, and that's where we lost. But a great job. I think I'm proud of the team. They have done really fantastic. Coming to the finals, giving their best. Hopefully next time we would cross the road. So thank you so much, guys.
What was the positives that you take from this match? Like we always try to collect positives, right? So what would be the positives you take from this?
I think bowling, of course, this is something that we have been really banking upon. The guys have been really bowling pretty well throughout the series. Starting from the Pacers, you know, we had the guy who got the trophy, Ankit Yadav, who really bowled well throughout the series. So a great job, Ankit. Very proud of you the way you have been bowling. And then we had our guy who's injured for a long time, Abid, coming back and really bowling fantastic. So a really good bowling. And of course, you know, from the fielding perspective, there is a lot of improvement that we have seen, and we definitely need to kind of keep the consistency in the batting. That's the only improvement area that we need to focus on.
How do you feel the opposition? Do you think, or do you expecting that sort of fight back you'll get it in the final?
So we have played against them, and they're definitely a very good team. Honestly, I think, you know, when we got them out at 134, we were expecting this to be an easy win for us. But honestly, great bowling by you guys. You really bowled well, you fielded well, you put the pressure on us, you got the crucial wickets on time, and then 25 balls, 29 runs was an easy win for us, and we lost there because you really bowled well and we were under the pressure. So a great job. I think you know, they did pretty well.
Thank you, Kashyap.
So guys, we can have multiple winners, but there is only one champion. Please welcome our champion for tonight. The winner's trophy will be presented to Dark Horses captain Mr. Rajat to come forward and collect the trophy from a chief guest. वो पुष्पा कितना चल रहा है वैसे ही ग्राउंड में? Yeah, please, guys, everybody can come. Please present the trophy. And team, come forward for a picture. We can have a picture with our chief guest.
पूरी टीम आ जाओ
आ जाओ यार
Come please.
सब लोग नीचे बैठ जाएंगे
Please join. On behalf of the final words from our bowling captain, Rajat, can you please come? May I have a word with you?
अंपायर को बुलाओ सब अपने
यार ये पकड़ लिया मेरा तो कैसे चली हम भी चले
One pending for one of our groundsmen. I think Rampal, can you come and collect the award?
अकबर
इसे पकड़ा रही सही वीडियो बन रही है
इसे सही करके बना रही है पूरी लाइव।
मैं भी जाऊंगा एम्पायर में नहीं
इसको ऐसे पकड़ ले कायदे में
अपर पहन लो अपना सब लोग अपर पहन लो इसमें पहन ले कोई बात नहीं पहन लो सब पहन लो कहाँ है और सब कहाँ है
जाओ अपर लेकर जल्दी जाओ
जल्दी पहन लो अपर लियो सब लोग पहन के आ जाओ फटाफट ऐसी जाओ जल्दी फटाफट और तभी मैच फीस मिलेगी आई होती है
अब बाबे तुम भी तो पहनो तुम बता रहे हो
जाके पहन लो नहीं तो मैच नहीं आप पहनो आप चल जाएगी जान पहनो फटाफट जल्दी हाँ जल्दी पहनो
इसके ऊपर ही पहन
उतार इसको निकाल दो
इसको उतार दूं अरे दो
हाँ इसको उतार दो इसके ऊपर पहन
अरे इसमें पहन लो यार एक मिनट
अपर होना चाहिए बस
सारी लाल परी आ गई
ले भाई परी लाल परी
वो किसका रोल लग गया
लाल परी बात हो गई लाल परी लाल परी नजर पे जानी चल रही आए सारे आ भी तो ना रहे। अब हटा पीछे जाना पड़ेगा, आ तो रहे ना सारे। खोलो ग्रुप खोले यार, वीडियो मार रहा है।
अबे नहीं आ पा रहे।
वो काम हो जा रहा है हारे।
कोई बात नहीं, तो डालो यार, तो डालो भाई। क्या कर रहा है भाई? भाई
आधे घंटे की जो वीडियो हो गई ना,
चोट लग गई ना। उधर सब लोग इधर देखें।
ये ऐसे पे हाथ रख दिया।
भाई जल्दी
लोकल लेके
तो अब पकड़ रहा हूँ। अभी आप देख रहे थे कि यहाँ पर जो CPL फाइनल हुआ था उसकी जो अवार्ड सेरेमनी हुई है उसका हम अभी आपको ये सारी दिखा रहे थे। इसमें कौन जीता कौन हुआ। हमारे मेहमान बदरुद्दीन साहब और शबन परवेज और इकबाल हैदर साहब अमरोज आए हुए थे। इसके अलावा भी जो हमारे गेस्ट थे उन सब लोगों ने खिलाड़ियों को प्राइज से दिए और उनको सम्मानित किया। आप लोगों से गुजारिश है आप लोग हमारे चैनल को देखें और लाइक करें और इसको सब्सक्राइब करें। बहुत बहुत शुक्रिया।